Hello, folks. This is Kyle Speed One coming from Fort Worth. This is a pit building that I purchased about a week ago from Race Track Scenics, and it's all laser cut with what they call it, MDS or something like that. Excellent build. Everything fits together so precisely. The quality of the detail, like as in the roof, is really neat. It comes with stickers that you can put on there. I really recommend getting you one of these. It was so much fun putting it together and painting it. And I painted it with regular old Krylon rattle can paint. And might be hard for you to notice, but the outside trim is, of course, white. Most of it's white, but the other color is actually kind of like a dark blue, or I think they call it ink blue, with a black floor. And that's both on the lower floor and on the upper floor. I installed some clear Lexan for the windows. I haven't done the back of the building yet. And there's a Lamborghini under the Lamborghini sign. There's the staircase that goes up to the second floor. Isn't that cool? That's all laser cut. It's detailed. It's got a workbench. It got a couple of drawers on there that you might not be able to see. The outlines of that's all laser etched, as well as, if I can do this, come around the corner, the side of the building has brickwork. Isn't that awesome? And of course I painted the trim around the windows. Excellent kit. I haven't glued the top on yet because I'm making furniture, tables and chairs and what have you, to go off inside. But there's the staircase that goes up to the second floor. And I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, the flooring is etched also. And I just went with black. Black floors are easy to take care of. But yeah, I totally recommend this kit from Race Track Scenics. And I'll spin it around to the back. There's the back of the building. Awesome kit. Love it. Well, that's all for now, folks. Take it easy. Bye.